Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I love products that have pure ingredients and that are good for you and have many different uses. So this Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel has been a staple in my life. I really like this gel because first of all, it has a really thick consistency. It's not watered down. So if you get a sunburn and you have to rub it into your skin, it really coats it nicely. But then at the same time, if you decide to use it as a facial moisturizer, it's lightweight and it soaks in well. Another way I like to use this gel is as a hair styling gel, which is great because it doesn't leave your hair sticky or hard. And then I also use it as a shaving gel, which is great because when you go to use it on your legs, it's nice to shave with, but also leaves your legs nice and soft. Our family likes this gel so much that we buy it in multiple packs, so it saves money there. So if you are looking for something that you can use in many different areas of your life, this gel is pretty amazing. I love it, and that is just my point of view.